Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here with 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are looking at a product that is made by Mangoal. Now, this particular product, this brand model that I have here is the MG03-2D1BA, the universal dash cam kit, both front and rear, giving you high definition, high quality, and dependability, reliability, and the performance. We're getting this set up today in our Nissan Titan XD, our performance build project, to match and capture all of those moments with the Mangoal. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing unboxed on our bench, and then we're going to get ourselves installed, set up, and give you the rundown, the lowdown, and why we went with this product. Stay tuned. Our first look experience of the Mangoal here. Zip tie and our user's guide manual, a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. We've got a couple different adhesives and some trim tool. Now, this is the reason why we went with this kit, is the simplicity. What makes this universal: no wiring needed. You plug this into your OBD2 slot of your vehicle itself. This is what powers it on and provides you all those additional accessory features with your vehicle. Pretty straightforward, so there's no additional accessories or anything that's actually needed other than getting this thing stuck to your windshield, as well as getting the back camera placed in the back window, capturing all of the moments in any scenario. First things first, let's go ahead and get our windshield plate installed here. Snap into place just like that. So the best fitment, we're going to line it up where we've got a little bit of play here. So let's go ahead and peel our sticky tab off. Now, the thing that I love most about the Mangoal product is that this is the closest you are going to get looking OEM as possible, because they got a low profile design. It's incredibly sleek. And the nice thing about it is, again, is that it looks OEM and gives you tremendous amount of features once you have this thing connected via mobile app. First piece is installed, and that's actually what holds our camera into place. So this guy literally goes right to the front three holes, and that is it for the mount. Hook up our OBD2 cable, and now time to start working on that rear camera here. Peel off our adhesive right there. All right, guys, so what I want to show you real quick with our Mangoal for the camera here. So it's a real easy setup. So the name of the app is called SkyCam. A couple things to mention about this particular camera unit here is, like I mentioned earlier in the video, this thing has 4K capability. Means it is equipped with ultra high definition, and it's going to produce 30 frames per second. Now, the processor that's built into that, this is what we were after primarily. It has what's called the Novatech, the NT96670 processor, and it also is equipped with the Sony IMX335 sensor. So it is going to give you tremendous amount of performance. So as we're installing this app, we're going to go ahead and dive in after the initial install and get it open. Stay tuned. Just a couple other things to mention about this particular product here. It has what is called the 150-degree ultra-wide A+ viewing angle. Means it's going to give you the widest angle possible compared to some of the other units that are out there, which are up to about 120 degrees. This is 150. And it also supports up to 256 gigabyte micro SD card. So it comes with the 128, which is outstanding and amazing. I love the fact that it included it. So that was an accessory that I was not expecting to be in the box. It also has what's called a loop cycle and split recording mode. So it means that it's going to have both front and rear recording for this kit. And I also love the fact that this is equipped with the GPS and a G sensor, and also an emergency video lock button for the audio and video recording. So it looks like our mobile application is just about installed. We are officially connected. It's going to give us the front viewing, again, this wide view angle here, that is 150 degrees. So There is a microphone built into it, so it's recording currently for our audio. And then if we press this icon right here, it's going to give us our rear facing camera. Same thing, the audio is on. We can hit pause, we can hit take photographs, and then we also have the camera settings right here on the bottom. Even if your phone's not connected, it's still going to record regardless. The night vision that's on this thing is pretty well capable. So right now, my headlights are on. So let's go ahead and shut this off here. There we have it. And that's with our headlights. Now, as far as our rear view, I'm loving that, especially if you got a bed light to turn on. So as an example, in my case, I'm going to go ahead and press this button here. Yeah, gotta love that. This guy is absolutely awesome. I can't stress enough about this product. It is pretty darn sweet. And again, Mangoal, they tackled this job. They did a fantastic job making it and assembling it. You got to try it out for yourself. I highly encourage and welcome it. Check it out. You're going to love it. Dan here at 2D2. Thank you, guys.